Most stress damage doesn't feel dramatic. It feels normal. And that's why it's dangerous. When you're stressed, your brain switches into survival mode. This mode was designed for short-term danger, not for daily life. But modern stress doesn't turn off. Deadlines, notifications, worry. So your brain stays on high alert for weeks, months, even years. And over time, that changes how your brain works. The part responsible for fear gets stronger. The part responsible for logic and focus gets weaker. That's why stressed people feel more reactive, more emotional, and less clear-headed. It's not a personality flaw, it's biology. Even memory is affected. That constant tiredness, that mental fog, that's your brain overloaded. But here's the important part. Your brain is not broken. It's adaptable. This ability is called neuroplasticity. When stress decreases, your brain can recover, focus improves, emotional control returns. Even small habits can shift your brain back. One simple rule: stress is meant to be temporary. If it becomes constant, your brain pays the price. But when you give your brain space to rest, it knows exactly how to heal. This isn't about thinking positive, it's about biology. So here's what actually helps. So what can we actually do about it? First, stress isn't the enemy. Constant stress is. Your brain needs clear signals that danger is over. Slow breathing does exactly that. Just a few minutes can lower stress chemicals in your body. Second, your brain needs stress breaks. Movement helps reset the system. Even a short walk tells your brain it's safe to relax. And finally, sleep isn't optional. It's repair time. Stress changes your brain, but so does recovery. Give your brain time to heal. It knows how.